back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is hiring globally worldwide, and it is non-phone in the healthcare field. We are going to dive all in, but before we do, I just want to say that if you are in the United States and if you're doing any kind of celebrating this weekend for the upcoming 4th of July Independence Day holiday on Tuesday, I hope you have a fabulous weekend and celebration ahead. But with that being said, before the weekend kicks off, I have a job lead for you from the company Mira. Now, this is Mira Care or Mira Healthcare. They seem to be a fairly new startup company. They only have 2 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, before giving any of your personal information to any companies that I share, please do your own research on the company and make sure you feel safe and comfortable doing so. They do have a 4.0 out of 5-star rating from the 2 reviews they have, but they are hiring a customer support representative. Now, Mira is in the fertility department, women's reproductive health department. They are a leading provider of assisting reproductive technology that helps couples and individuals who are having trouble getting pregnant. They are looking for a customer support rep to handle different things like live chat and social media. So this is going to be completely non-phone. So they're looking for somebody, even though they're hiring globally or worldwide, you have to be in a US time zone for at least 4 hours per day. So you have to work, if you're outside of the US time zone, in the US time zone for 4 hours of your day, but they're basically looking for somebody to answer, tag, and escalate customer complaints within 2 hours of the complaint being submitted. You'll answer comments on social media within 24 hours after they're posted, and you'll reply to any direct messages sent on social media within 2 hours. You'll proactively greet customers when they come to the website and help with the conversion. You'll be on chat for 4 hours a day during the US time. Now, this is mostly non-phone, but you may have to make calls if needed. If those people are not understanding you through the chat and social media, you may have to pick up the phone occasionally and make an outbound phone call to explain something to you, but most of you are going to be addressing and escalating customer issues on chat and through social media. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position. They want somebody who knows Customer very well or similar platforms like Customer, someone who can talk about consumer medical products. Of course, you got to be willing to work at least 4 hours in the US time zone, and you have to answer every incoming chat within 15 seconds of the chat request. Now, even though they're hiring globally, you have to have fluent English written skills because you're going to be speaking and working in the English language, and you've got to be able to be warm and positive to keep the customer happy. This is a 40-hour per week job. Unfortunately, pay is going to be dependent on different variables, and so they don't actually list pay. That's going to have to be discussed at the time of the interview. It does say they offer a benefit package including holidays, paid time off, things like that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Again, if you're celebrating this weekend, please have a happy and safe celebration, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.